चलो क्लास स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं बेटे अभी. Okay. So good morning students. In the last lecture we have studied about ocean tide and ocean wave. These two sources were utilized for conversion of ocean power into useful energy. Today we will discuss the last option that is available with the ocean power, that is known as ocean thermal energy. The principle of working is almost the same as that thermal power plant, wherein steam is generated in a boiler and that steam is supplied to the turbine for generation of power. The similar concept will be utilized here, but the principle of operation will be somewhat different. Almost similar kind of equipment will be used in that case also. Okay, so whatever equipment which are needed in my thermal power plant, almost similar kind of equipment will be needed in this case also, but there will be some different in the operation and there will be some difference in the size of the equipment utilized for generation of the electricity from ocean thermal source. Okay, so we move on further. In ocean thermal energy exists in the form of temperature difference between the warm surface water and the colder deep water. Actually, this statement is the basis of operation of ocean thermal energy or energy generation from the ocean thermal source. Okay, it is observed the temperature at the upper surface of the water or at the top surface of the water in the sea is somewhat warm, and when we move at some depth, say 10 meter or 20 or 30 meter difference, then the temperature of the sea water is somewhat cold. It is colder than the top surface layer of the water. So due to the difference in these in the temperature of the water available at the top surface and available at some depth is the basis of operation of the ocean thermal energy. Here we can discuss principle of operation of a heat engine, because a similar kind of heat engine is needed for extracting power from the ocean thermal source. A heat engine generates power utilizing thermodynamic principle, where heat flows from a high temperature source to a low temperature sink. This is the basic concept where heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. High temperature object is known as source and low temperature object is known as sink. So in this case, when we talk about ocean thermal energy, the top surface layer or top layer water which is having high temperature, that water acts as source, and the water at some depth in the sea which is somewhat colder is acts as sink. So in heat engine generates power utilizing thermodynamic principle, where heat flows from a high temperature source to a low temperature sink through an engine, converting a part of the heat into work. Okay, this is the basic principle of operation of ocean thermal sources for conversion of energy of ocean to wave. In OTE, बेटे आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?